Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Leonardtown Local and Long Distance. Movers near me. Are you excited about moving to your brand new house, but your house is miles away and all the packing is giving you so much stress? Well, release your stress by hiring a professional moving company like 3 Men and a Truck. We will do all the work, from loading to unloading it to your new house. Even if your new home is just a few blocks away from your old home, moving still can be a very exhausting job. Don't bother calling your neighbors. Seek professional moving help. 3 Men and a Truck will do everything you wish for. Leave the shifting process to us and rely on us for the safety and security of your belongings. We will get you shifted to your new home within a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Leonardtown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.